So hello students, welcome to DCA. We are back with some more problems. Now this is one of a nice question which I found and which we have placed in our test papers. It's related to mathematics, right? It looks quite simple and more or less it's from class 6th book, you can say that, class 6th or maybe 7th, right? It's a basic algebra problem which can be the part of any of the exam like CSAT, CDS, IMA, or or you can say that for the AFA, INET aspirants. So if you are a genuine aspirant, right, I want all of you to go through this question. It's given that there are three positive real numbers mentioned such that we have the conditions given: AB plus A plus B is equal to BC plus B plus C is equal to, all these three expressions are equal, which is equal to 35, and we are being asked to find out the value of A plus A, B plus 1 and C plus 1. And being a competitive exam aspirants, right, we want all of you to try this question in 40-second limit. You need to fasten up because speed matters, right? Speed matters, especially in all qualitative exams, right, like CDS, CAPF, although few portion of mathematics, CSAT, civil services, or any of the exam which you are looking for. Maybe some you can try. Those guys who are SSC aspirants can also try, right? So I will count upon. It's around 20 seconds done. Let's 30 seconds. What comes to your mind when you go through these questions? The first thing is what comes to your mind. That's important because logic is important. Logic बहुत बड़ी चीज है. आपके दिमाग में question देख के क्या आया? How you perceive the data, right? How you procure the data. That's important. Let's start. I think 40 seconds is done. Right? Can you get it? So what is the answer? So let us note your answer in your mind. Okay, this is the answer, to be honest, so that you can check upon what actually is the correct one, right? So I assume that you have noted down your answer, right? So we'll verify from it. Let's move on. Now the solution part. What is being asked? The conditions. The three conditions were given and we have been asked A plus 1, B plus 1 and C plus 1. Now what comes to your mind when you look over this expression? We need, we can find the similarities. There are two variables which are common, A, B and B. Again we have B and C. Then we have C. Here also we have C. Then we have A. Another is also A. Now there is a similarity. This similarity will give you the hint, right? You can try to take common things, right? I repeat, it's not tough. It's class 7th question. Let's move on to the solution part. Yes, that's the solution, right? What we have done, we have been given three expression. Let's try to utilize all those three equations, right? So this was the first one. I wanted to take something common, so I added plus 1 on the LHS as well as RSS. Similarly, the second expression, right, that was given as BC plus B plus C, I added plus 1 and again 35 plus 1. So we got three such expression. आप common लेंगे, common लिया, यहाँ common लिया, the second one and the third one, right? Now you have to multiply all these threes. All these three, you can see that they will be repeated. There is A plus 1, here also we have A plus 1, B plus 1, B plus 1, right? Now put down the values. आप आराम से आप values को रख दें. This is 36. You can put down the values and it will come as 36 cubed, that is 6 raised to the power 6. Our answer will be 216. A very good question, qualitative question, right? That's why we put it in our test, right? The classroom test, right? For the, right now we have the TA batch test going on, right? The CDS will be coming up. So these are the things which we try, and I personally believe that this question will develop your logic, right? How you perceive the data, how you process the data, how you, what what is your approach towards the question. So these three things actually matters a lot, right? So this is one from our side. For those who are, who have maths as a part of their recruitment exam, whether you are IMA aspirant, whether you are AFA aspirant, whether you are writing for CSAT, whether you are writing for any aptitude exam, right? Maybe the SSC exams, or maths is a part and parcel of life, right? So that's a good one, right? We'll come up with another one. If you have got 216, if you have got the correct answer, a big congrats from our side. You are really a good aspirant and you are on the right track. You will definitely do well in the exams, right? Thank you. Good luck.